English cooking phrases unveiled, sauté the onions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its applications in everyday life. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might encounter in cooking: sauté the onions. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English culinary terms, this video is for you. Sauté is a term borrowed from French, which literally means jumped or bounced, in reference to tossing food in a pan. In the culinary context, to sauté means to cook food quickly in a minimal amount of fat over relatively high heat. The key here is the combination of high heat and quick cooking, which gives sautéed food a deliciously browned exterior while keeping the inside moist and tender. Onions are a staple in many cuisines around the world. They are known for adding flavor, texture, and aroma to dishes. When a recipe instructs to sauté the onions, it typically means to cook them until they become translucent and tender. This process enhances their natural sweetness and mellows the sharp, raw flavor, making them a perfect base for various dishes. 1. Preparation. Start by peeling the onions and cutting them into even slices or dices, depending on your recipe. 2. Heat the pan. Place a skillet or frying pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium or medium-high. 3. Add fat. Add a small amount of oil or butter to the pan. Wait until it's hot enough that it shimmers or a drop of water sizzles upon contact. 4. Cook the onions. Add the onions to the pan, spreading them evenly. Stir occasionally, ensuring they don't burn. The onions are done when they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Use the right pan. A heavy-bottomed pan distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can burn the onions. Don't overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding can cause onions to steam instead of sauté, leading to a lack of browning. Adjust the heat. If the onions are browning too quickly, lower the heat. If they're not browning at all, increase it slightly. And there you have it, a simple yet essential skill in cooking. Sautéing onions is a fundamental technique that can enhance a wide range of dishes. We hope this video helps you in your culinary adventures and adds a little more flavor to your English language learning. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning!